Hi, I'm Aidan from KMB Audio, and this is a short video series to show you how to use the Systemline E50. Everything I show you is available in the manual, however, these videos will walk you through it. In this video, I'm going to show you all of the gesture controls that you can do with the Systemline E50. I currently have Bluetooth connected and we are playing some music, but I've got it in mute mode at the moment. To unmute the system, all you have to do is wave your hand up like so in front of the unit, and you need to be about that far, which is about sort of 5 centimeters away from the unit for it to work. And essentially you wave up and the music will start playing. To mute the music, you wave down and that will mute it. We'll turn it back on. To skip a track, you wave to the side and that will go over to the next track. To turn it up and down, you have to twiddle your finger in a circle in front of the unit. So I'll go up, and then I'll go down, and then I'll go up, and then I'll go down. You can also skip the track back and forward depending on which way you wave your hand. So to skip the track forward, you wave forward, and to skip the track backwards, you wave your hand backwards. Thanks for watching. You can find this and other great home audio products on our website, www.kbaudio.co.uk. If you like this video, click the like button. And don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon to be notified when we next release a video.